Sometimes choosing the perfect shared hosting plan can be hard, and that's why I would like to introduce 3 affordable solutions NameSilo offers that you should consider. First things first, all of our hosted websites are stored on blazing fast servers with enterprise-level security. All of our hosting plans come with free email, website builder as an easy WordPress install option, and world-class support. Our starter plan is ideal if you are looking to build your first website or starting a new idea from scratch. It costs $2.99 per month, but you can save 25% more if you choose yearly billing. If you are looking to create multiple websites, then our premium plan may be a better fit, which will enable you to run up to 3 websites on the same hosting plan, plus every other feature from the starter plan. Our best shared hosting option is the Turbo plan, which enables you to get 60 GB of storage and run up to 10 websites. The Turbo plan also comes with free SSL certificates automatically applied to all your websites for the duration of your Turbo hosting plan. If you have any other questions or need any help picking the right plan, feel free to contact our 24/7 support team. Don't pay more when you can pay less. Choose NameSilo and get your website live today.